Welcome to Rio de Janeiro. This isn't just a place on a map. It's a feeling, an energy that grabs you from the moment you arrive. Before the hustle, before the noise, there's this magical quiet. The city wakes up with the sun, and I mean it really wakes up. It's like watching a giant, beautiful flower open its petals, one by one. The first light spills over the horizon, painting the sky gold-orange, and it catches the peak of Sugarloaf Mountain. It's a moment of pure, unfiltered hope. You feel it in your bones. The ocean sighs as it greets the sand, a gentle rhythm that sets the pace for the day. This city is a spectacle from the get-go. It's a promise of the day to come, a day filled with life, color, and a rhythm that's impossible to ignore. First stop, you have to hit the beach. It's not a suggestion, it's a requirement. You start your morning with a walk along the iconic curved shoreline of Copacabana. This isn't just a stretch of sand, it's the city's living room. You feel that soft, warm sand squishing between your toes, and it's like plugging directly into the city's energy source. All around you, life is unfolding. You see the early birds, locals running on the famous black-and-white wave-patterned promenade. You see intense games of foot volley and soccer already kicking off, the skill level just blowing your mind. It's a beautiful, organized chaos that just works. Then there are the people who are just there to be. Tourists are setting up their umbrellas, staking their claim for a day of sun-soaked relaxation. Locals are sipping on mat tea or coconut water, catching up with friends before the day truly begins. The waves of the Atlantic roll in, one after another, their sound a constant soothing soundtrack to the scene. Now you have to look up. No matter where you are in Rio, you feel this presence watching over you. You lift your eyes, and there he is, Christ the Redeemer, standing tall on the peak of Corcovado Mountain, the city's guardian. His arms are stretched wide open. It genuinely feels like he's holding the entire city in a warm, protective hug. Taking the train up Corcovado is an experience in itself, winding up through the lush Tijuca forest, catching glimpses of the city below. Nothing prepares you for the view from the top. The whole world unfolds before you. Deep blue Atlantic Ocean, the perfect crescent of Copacabana, the perfect crescent of Ipanema, the sprawling city, massive granite mountains. They aren't just next to the city, they're woven into its fabric. It's a perspective that changes you. You feel incredibly small and infinitely connected. Rio has a sound. It's a beat that gets into your soul and makes your feet want to move whether you know how to dance or not. That beat is Samba. Its ultimate expression is Carnival. Man, if you think you've seen a party, you haven't seen anything until you've experienced Carnival in Rio. The entire city transforms into a massive, vibrant stage. The focal point is the Sambadrome, a purpose-built parade avenue where the top Samba schools compete. It's an explosion of color and sound and pure, unadulterated joy. The dancers, oh my goodness, the dancers. They move with skill and passion that is just mesmerizing. And then there are the drummers, the bateria. A wall of sound hits you. A powerful, complex rhythm that drives the whole parade. That beat is strong, fast, and infectious. You can't help but move. In the middle of all this urban energy, this concrete and chaos, there's a secret. Rio is also one of the greenest cities you will ever see. Rising high above the streets is the Tijuca forest, one of the largest urban rainforests on the planet. It's not a park, it's a full-blown jungle right in the city. You can go from a traffic-filled street to a world of towering trees, tangled vines, exotic wildlife sounds in just a matter of minutes. The air immediately feels cooler and cleaner under the dense canopy. It's the city's green lung, breathing life into the metropolis below. You hear birds you've never heard before. You might even spot a monkey or a colorful toucan. Well-marked trails lead to hidden waterfalls and bubbling streams. Secret viewpoints offer a totally different perspective of the city. You'll see the Vista Chinesa looking out over the beaches and the lagoon. This blend, nature and metropolis coexisting is what makes Rio so unique. Ultimately, what makes Rio shine so brightly is its people. Whether you're buying a fresh juice or asking for directions, you're met with a genuine friendliness. Their joy is contagious, in their dance, in their markets, in their everyday interactions. So end your day where you began. Watch the sun dip and hear the music start up again.